Welcome. We are continuing with our lesson on creating a quiz in Moodle, and in this particular lesson, which is part 3, we are going to be looking at marking a quiz in Moodle, and more specifically the marking is based on essay questions which have to be marked manually by the facilitator or the markers. Yes, this is our page whereby now we have clicked to the finished quiz. So the quiz was on the introduction, and so on the main page, once you click on the quiz itself, you get this page. It shows the attempts that the quiz was allowing. So in this particular lesson, I took the quiz myself just for demonstration purposes to help you with the marking. It shows the attempts, one attempt, and normally the student will see that the final grade for the quiz is not yet graded. So since we had 2 questions in our quiz, so we click here where it says attempts number 1, and it takes us to another page. On this page, it will give you some information on what has happened, who are the people who have taken the quiz. Are there any quizzes in progress, overdue or finished or never submitted? Actually, you can get a report on all these things. You can even view the quiz while in progress if you wanted, so that you can see who's online or who's doing what. And you can look at the report to see what's going on or what is the status of the quiz. Now, some of these I normally don't use them. The main interest is down here. Normally after the quiz, you are going to find the name of the student, or the name of the students who have done the quiz. So as I said, I did this just for practice purposes. So the quiz, it shows when the quiz started and when it was completed, so and the amount of time taken, and you can see that there are questions that are not yet graded, and this is question number 1, which was an essay question. Question 2 was graded automatically, and we got a correct answer, and the mark was 1. So for you to mark the essay question, you can click where it says requires grading, and it will open another page showing you that particular question. Now, if there were more than one student, let's say 5, 6, or 10, it will give all their, it will show the names, and you can grade one by one. So this question is complete. It was marked out of 5. This was our question: describe the different types of sea animals. So this is where the student would have written their response. So here I'm just saying the response by the student should cover the different types of sea animals. This question is marked out of 5 points. So this is where the student will be responding, and you read the response, and then you make your comment here. Normally when you click here, you are going to the actual points are 5, so you will have to decide. Again, another window is opened, and so maybe you are going to say fair response, or you could have given more examples, and then maybe out of 5 I give the student a 3. Okay, so then when we are done with that, we click save. If you click cancel, this action you've done here it will not take place. So you click save, and then the window will close and changes have been saved, and then you close this window. This was the earlier window before you made comments. You close the window, and once you are done with that, for now this information will be updated after you come out of here. For now it doesn't show, but after you come out of this window here, you can come back and check to see what has happened. So you'll be grading a number of students until you are done with all of them. So I'll go back to the quiz here. We want to see whether our marking has been initiated. You can see now this it shows 4 because the student had 1 point earlier on and was given a 3. So the final grade is 4 out of 6. This is what the student will get. And if you went back again, and you will see that the new grade has already been given a 3, and the total is 4. So that's one way of checking whether everything has been done. And you can see also there is a table here that will show you how students have fared in the quiz. Okay, so that's about it when it comes to grading or marking. So we'll continue with other lessons, and for now that is the end. Thank you very much.